kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kekurim jong menteri rangba ke jela ke Dr. Mehtab Chandi Ajitok Sangma kablayo ya ke jingjab ha ke election shiteng samoy na ke Gambegre constituency haba keren cikilat pathai kubor kalapan pau ya ke jingkemen da ka baong baki ba ke Gambegre kila jit ya ke NPP ha ke election ke bamenta bat kala ong ru ba ke jingjab kamdei ke jong ka hnrei dei jong ki ba ki balerap ban kershan bat ban vote na ke benta Karoi ke keo batru ki bakwa ya ke jingkela. Ke Dr. Mehtab kalau ong baki ba jong ke jela menta. Kita yok mat bat UI ya kurkom trikam jong ke NPP. Bat ke kermen ru ba ke sorkar ke bayalam de ke NPP. Kanang yai kener bat ai gila jing syakri ki bak khambha syaki ba jong ke jela. Shisho na kalyang menteri rangba ke jela Konrad Sangma habaya keren bat kilat pathai kubor ulapan pau ya ke jing kemen de ke baong ba ke seng. Kalau yok ya ke jing job hagane ke election ke bamenta bat ulah kularu baka sorkar kan pendep ya ki jingkular ki bakum ka sorkar hi kala kular na benta ki ba ka Gambegre constituency watla hapedeng ki babon ki jing ru shushu na kalyang jong ulah ai khublei ru ya ki nong yalam ki bahakmat jong ka seng NPP ki bala ai jing kershan ya ka kertong jong ka NPP nangta ki re ba bapher ha ka ba kila penlong ya ke Dr. Mehtab Sangma kadadu bakan yo ya ke jingjab hagani ke election shiteng samoy ha Gambegre.
Well, I think the message is clear, loud and clear, that people have voted for change today. People have voted for development, and this is what we as a party, the leadership encourages, and this is what we have been promoting, and I think the message is clear. So I'm happy that people have come to our party today, and we have seen that previously we could never win this seat, but the people of Gambegre have voted for change. And I think the whole Garo Hills and Meghalaya is experiencing that right now with NPP at the government, and we will do more and do our best to ensure that we always give the best to the people.
So the call for development has been accepted by the people. I think
it's
So the call for development has been accepted by the people of Gambegre. So how it feels today that your wife has been elected as MLA from that area?
Of course, we are very happy as a party, and would like to thank the people of Gambegre for their support in this by-election. It is very, very heartening to see that people have voted for development, and we want to assure the people of Gambegre that we will do everything in our capacity to make sure that we are able to fulfill our promises and deliver. There are many challenges, but we will do our best to serve the people of Gambegre. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank all the leaders, party workers, MLAs, MDCs who have worked very hard to support the candidature of Dr. Mehtab Chandi Sangma in this past by-election. Thank you.